Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Had a customer who called me for a diagnostic saying he needed an alternator. Alternators put out over 14 volts, between 13.8 and 14 volts. He wanted me to change out his alternator. Well, here's the mere facts. Nothing wrong with his alternator, but he has over 200,000 miles on this Nissan. Anytime they're over 100,000 miles, get rid of them. There is no ifs and buts about it. This Nissan has seen its days. There is no way on earth that he should keep this vehicle in any shape from away. But the point of the story is he wanted me to change something that has nothing to do with what he asked about. That's why I kind of stop customers when they are trying to enforce me or wanting me to change parts that are not necessary. Do the diagnostic, listen to the professionals, and go from there. If you're insistent on doing your own way and it gets replaced, don't get mad at the mechanic. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you had anything that you got out of this video, hit that super thanks button. If you're a mechanic, you can go straight to my store that will be in the description of this video. Thank you.